I live in the United States. Polygyny does not work. I know the Old Testament does not ban polygyny. However, how can we protect our women who are in polygynous marriages today? Question: how can we enforce the laws of polygyny today? You can't do it in America, especially if you are a Hebrew Israelite. You can't do it. And fam, I'm a Hebrew Israelite, and I say this out of love, but I say this out of truth. Polygyny does not work today. Now, I understand the Bible gave our ancestors the option of polygyny. Today in America, it's not an option. Why? Because we cannot enforce the laws. What you mean enforce the laws? The Torah is our constitution. The Torah is more than just law. It means teaching. And it's also our constitution. However, we are not living in those ancient times. We are living in America. And wherever you live, you may not be able to enforce polygyny. How can we protect the wives in polygyny? How can we protect the marital rights of the wives in polygynous marriages? If you ask me, it seems like our people are not partaking in polygyny. They are playing house. And going to have the nerve to not bend the knee and put a ring on it. Excuse me. Bend the knee and put rings on them. Parents, be honest with me. Do you desire to see your daughters married to a man who has multiple wives? Talk to me. Parents, would you go to that wedding? Come on, be real. Would you go to that wedding? Fathers, would you walk your daughter down the aisle? Mothers, would you allow your daughters to marry a man who has multiple wives? We cannot enforce the laws of polygyny. There are consequences and repercussions for violating the laws of polygyny. But we cannot carry out the execution. Why? Because we're in the United States of America. And I bet your country can't do it as well. I bet your country is like the United States in the fact that we cannot carry out polygyny. Is there a Hebrew Israelite police? Are there Hebrew Israelite judges? If you are a woman listening, you don't have to go for that. You do not have to share a man with other women. You do not have to have a piece of a man. You can have all of a man. Genesis 2:24. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall become one. Notice, it did not say he shall cleave unto his wives. It says wife, and they shall become one. Polygyny does not work.